In this tutorial, I'll show you how to mask image and text in Figma. By the end, you'll cleanly mask an image inside text, and also mask text or an image inside a shape, using Figma's use as mask command. First, open your Figma file and create a frame. On the canvas, click the Frame tool and add a new frame so everything stays organized in one place. Type your text using the Text tool, shortcut T. Click anywhere inside the frame and type the word or phrase you want to use as the mask. Select a bold font for better visibility. Highlight the text, then in the right-hand Properties panel, choose a heavier weight or a bold font so the masked image will be clear and readable. Place your image behind the text layer. Drag your image onto the canvas, then in the Layers panel, move the image layer below the text layer. This order matters because Figma uses the topmost layer in the selection as the mask shape, and the image needs to sit behind it to show through the letters. Select both the text and image layers. Click the text layer, hold Shift, and click the image layer so both are highlighted. Right-click and choose Use as Mask. Figma immediately creates the mask group. The image now shows only inside the text shape, and the rest is hidden. This is non-destructive, so you can still move the image within the mask or edit the text if you need to adjust spacing or composition later. Now, let's mask text or an image with a shape. Create a shape you want to use as a mask, like a rectangle or a circle. Click the Shape tool in the toolbar and draw it on the canvas. Position and size it where you want the final masked content to appear. Place your text or image inside the shape. Add your text or drop in your image and move it so it visually sits within the bounds of the shape. This helps you see how it will look once masked. Select both layers, the shape, and the content. Click the shape, hold Shift, and click the text or image so both are selected together on the canvas or in the Layers panel. Right-click and choose Use as Mask. Figma applies the mask and contains your content within the shape. If you need to fine-tune, you can double-click into the masked group and reposition either the shape or the content without losing quality. At this point, you've completed both methods, masking an image with text and masking text or an image with a shape in Figma, all using the Use as Mask command. Your masks are now set up and working as intended. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.